Visual. The video opens with a split screen. On one side, a person is sitting with their eyes closed, silently mouthing affirmations. On the other, the person is actively moving, their posture confident and intentional. The title card reads, Beyond Affirmations, Embodied Manifestation Techniques. The video then transitions to the host, in a setting that feels both grounded and expansive, speaking directly to the camera with a calm, deliberate, and deeply thoughtful tone. Host, we've all heard the advice, think it, and it will happen. We are told to repeat affirmations in the mirror, to visualize our goals, and to believe in our ability to manifest our desires. And while there is immense power in our thoughts, what if that's only part of the equation? What if the most powerful force in manifestation isn't just in your mind, but in your body? Welcome to Elevate Mindset. Today, we're going to dive beyond the surface-level advice of verbal affirmations and explore a profound, yet often overlooked, dimension of manifestation, embodying your desired reality. This is a practice that engages not just your thoughts, but your entire being, your emotions, your energy, and your physical presence. Understanding this concept is a key to moving from simply thinking about your goals to truly living them. So, let's begin to unlock the power of embodied manifestation. Visual, a graphic illustrating a person's brain with a thought bubble saying, I am wealthy, but their physical body and posture are hunched and defeated. The host explains the disconnect. Host, don't get me wrong, affirmations can be a powerful tool. They help us consciously redirect our thoughts and challenge old, limiting beliefs. But for many, they feel like a struggle. Why? Because there's a disconnect. You might be standing in front of the mirror saying, I'm a confident, successful person, while your body is giving a different signal. Your shoulders are hunched, your breath is shallow, and your posture is closed off. Our subconscious mind, our nervous system, and our physical body have been programmed by our experiences. When you say an affirmation that contradicts your physical and emotional state, your body's response can be, no, that's not true. The affirmation becomes a mental exercise, a surface-level thought that never truly sinks into your being. It becomes a battle between your conscious desire and your subconscious programming. This is a central challenge of manifestation that focuses solely on the mind. It bypasses the body, which is a very vessel through which we experience and create our reality. Visual, a graphic showing a person's body radiating light or a glowing aura. The host explains how embodiment is about aligning thoughts, emotions, and physical state. Host, embodied manifestation is the practice of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and physical state to match the reality you want to create. It's the art of being who you want to become right now. It is based on the idea that your external reality is a direct reflection of your internal state. Think of it like this. A truly confident person doesn't have to repeat the affirmation, I am confident. They simply are. Their confident state is reflected in their posture, the way they speak, their eye contact, and their emotional stability. They embody confidence. The universe responds to what you are, not just what you say you want. Embodied manifestation moves beyond the mind and into the body. It recognizes that our bodies are not just vehicles. They are powerful tools for creation. Our posture, our breath, our gestures, they all send signals to our nervous system and the world around us. When these signals are in alignment with our desires, manifestation becomes a natural extension of who we are. It's not something we're trying to force. It's something we're attracting through our very presence. Visual, a graphic showing a person visualizing their goal, but this time with vivid sensory details, the feeling of the sun on their skin, the sound of a loved one's voice, the taste of a meal. Host, beyond posture, embodied manifestation requires engaging your senses and emotions. It's not enough to simply see the vision in your mind's eye. You need to feel it in your body. When you visualize your desired reality, don't just create a picture. Create an experience. Feel the emotions. How would it feel to have that dream job, to be in that loving relationship, or to have that financial freedom? What are the emotions associated with it? Is it joy, peace, excitement, or gratitude? Engage your senses. What would you see, hear, taste, smell, and touch in that reality? Imagine the feeling of the new car steering wheel in your hands, the smell of your new home, the sound of the ocean outside your window. The more sensory details you can bring to your visualization, the more real it becomes for your nervous system. Connect to a state of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrational emotions. By feeling grateful for your desired reality as if you already have it, you are sending a powerful signal to the universe that you are in a state of abundance. This feeling of already having is a key that unlocks manifestation. This is where the magic happens. When your mind, body, and emotions are all working together, you are not just asking for something, you are becoming a vibrational match for it. Visual. The host is back on screen, offering practical steps. A person is shown taking small, intentional steps toward a goal with a confident posture and purposeful movement. Host. Embodied manifestation is not passive. It's an active process. You don't just sit and visualize all day. You take action, but you do it with embodied intention. Every action you take is an opportunity to embody the person you are becoming. For example, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you don't just wait for opportunities to appear. You start acting like one now. You speak with clarity, you network with confidence, and you carry yourself with the energy of a business owner. This isn't about faking it. It's about consciously choosing to align your actions with your desired reality. Here's how you can practice this. Move with purpose. Walk with intention, as if you are walking towards your goal. Speak with confidence. When you communicate, speak from your chest with a clear and grounded voice. Be present. When you are doing a task, be fully present in your body and your breath. By taking even the smallest actions with this level of embodied intention, you are reinforcing to your subconscious mind and the universe that your desired reality is not just a thought, it's who you are. Visual. The video returns to the initial graphic, but this time the person's posture is confident and their body is radiating light. The host offers final words of empowerment. Host. The journey of manifestation is a journey of embodiment. It's a journey from simply thinking about a new reality to becoming a walking, breathing, living embodiment of it. Your body is not separate from your journey. It is your most powerful tool for creation. By consciously choosing your posture, by engaging your senses and emotions, and by taking action with embodied intention, you are not just hoping for a different reality. You are magnetizing it towards you. Step into your power. Stand tall. Breathe deeply. And begin to live as if you are already the person you are becoming. The universe is waiting for you to signal that you are ready.